it is Rue. Today we are making a Cape Cod, also known as Cranberry Vodka. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's go. Okay, let's gather our ingredients. Vodka, cranberry juice, and a lime. 3 items. Now, let's get our tools. Ice, a highball glass, a knife, a jigger, and a bar spoon. First step, let's prep our garnish. I am going to cut this lime. Set the limes aside. Grab your highball glass and pour ice all the way to the top. Grab your vodka bottle and your jigger. Pour 1 ounce into the highball glass. Now take your cranberry juice, open it. You can pour the cranberry juice all the way to the top, like to here. If not, you can also measure. I'm measuring 3 ounces into the drink. Use your bar spoon to give the drink a nice stir. And the last step is to garnish with lime. And there you go, my friends, Cape Cod, aka Cranberry Vodka. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.